Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your LG K42, at the first we have to get application to transfer data. On the both smartphones we are going to get this application named Send Anywhere. So let's install on this Android phone and do the same on the LG. Right now we can open on Android phone. And as you can see, we have accept all the permission that pops on our screen. Click continue, tap allow. And as you can see, we can send photos, videos, audio, apps, contacts, and other files also. So we have to go for the send here. And I would like to send maybe this photos. If you want to get other files, you have to simply go here and then select what you want to send. It's only example, so I'm going only for the photos. Let's open this application on the LG and do the same, accept all the permissions. Click continue. Accept the permission and go here for the receive. Right now click send on your Android phone and then this key we have to input right here. First click and then input, tap to receive. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, the transfer is complete. And we can easily check if it works properly. So let's go for the gallery, I think. And yes, here we can find all stuff that we sent from this Android phone to our LG K42. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!